The question is, how do you know if a LinkedIn member is paying for LinkedIn Premium? Well, it looks right here. When you look at someone's profile, right there it is. I go look at my profile from another account. Let me go to my testing account. And there it is right there, what we call the gold IN on your profile indicates that you're a premium member on LinkedIn. Now, is that always the case? Let's go show you how you can change that. From my profile, I can go to the pencil right here. Now, on the black screen, the dark screen, it's kind of hard to see. On the light screen, it's pretty easy. But there it is right there. I'll make it a little bigger so you can see it. Right there it is. Click on that, and I have two settings. I can have open profile. This means that anybody can send me an email because I'm opening the door for them to send me an email for free. That's open profile. I can turn that on, turn it off. The second one is profile premium badge. I'm right now showing it, but I can turn it off. And when I hit save, now when I go look at my profile from another account, now the gold IN is not displayed. There is really no other. I'm just trying to think of any other place. There is no other place that indicates through LinkedIn that you are or are not a premium subscriber. So you have to look for the gold IN, and you have to hope that they're not hiding it. Most people don't hide it if they're paying for it. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.